Friends, once again, I am Umar and you are watching UT Info. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and press bell icon to get all updates from us. We share interesting informations around the world. Today's topic is these fascinating government classified photos. Due to the saturate of limitations, some photos of notorious and iconic events were not released by the government until now. These classified photos are now available to the public. Some of these may leave you with more questions than answers. Could it be a real UFO? Once these photos became declassified by the CIA, the UFO ones were the first to be viewed by the public. None of the photos came with an explanation, so no one really knows of if this is in fact a UFO. Giant telescope in China. This peculiar looking structure is in fact the world's biggest telescope and it was built in China. It's so powerful that it can detect all kinds of radio signals. It can allegedly detect signals that are thousands of light years away. Top secret facility. This photo may not be top secret anymore, but this facility surely is. The Chain Mountain Complex is the biggest secret facility on American soil. Due to its highly classified nature, only officials with the high security clearance can enter it. 9/11 destruction. This image clearly depicts the damage caused to the Pentagon building on 9/11 before the attack. The Pentagon looked nothing like this. This photo was never released before, so the American public have never seen the actual damage caused. An official account. According to this redacted letter in 1963, the government of America encountered a UFO in Nevada. Although you can't read everything that was written, the message is very clear that aliens do exist, and this letter makes it official. Osama bin Laden's family. By looking at this photo, you can see that bin Laden was an ordinary family man. Other than his extreme and rather radical views, he was pretty normal. Here he was snapped on vacation with his huge family in Germany. Family on the moon. Charlie Dock was one of the men that landed on the moon. To prove that he did indeed walk on the moon, he left a photograph of him and his family there. However, no one knows if that photo is still there. Relaxing day by the pool. This photo needs some explanation as you wouldn't expect to see fully clothed people in a pool ordinarily. Apparently, this is part of the astronauts' training because they need to know how to land in the water, putting a hard day's work. Bunker in North Dakota. This bunker in North Dakota is used to measure seismic waves as well as the weather. Although it looks pretty freaky, it's nothing but a weather station of sorts. It's been said that it was once used as a national missile defense system. Could it be? Seems like there may be a conspiracy theory here. Everyone knows that World War II ended because Hitler took his own life. But why was an older looking Hitler photographed in Argentina? Could that really be him? Guess we might never know for sure. Mount Rushmore. This photo depicts the first draft of Mount Rushmore. It included the president's torsos and not just their heads and shoulders. It seems they thought that it would be too much to include their half bodies and decided on just the shoulders. Sneaky bunker or not? Somewhere in a forest in Virginia, you can see this structure that looks very much like a bunker. It looks like someone wants whoever or whatever is inside to remain hidden and secret. There is no denying that it's pretty sneaky looking. Taking a leisurely stroll. Here you see Pablo Escobar posing with his son in Washington DC. When this photo was taken, he was on America's most wanted criminals list. It seems bizarre that he was able to get so close to the White House and not be apprehended. Bonnie and Clyde. In this photo, you can see what Bonnie and Clyde's car looked like after the encounter with the police. In May 1934, they were gunned by the police. It is evident that their encounter was not an amicable one and many shots were fired. The Queen of England in the military. When you see Queen Elizabeth, now she looks like a little old lady. That's meek and mild. In this photo, we see that she was in fact quite a tough woman. She served in the military for the English government. Top secret nuclear bomb. This was the first nuclear bomb in America. This was known as the Trinity Project, and it took place in a New Mexico desert in 1945. At the time, the American public had no idea that this is what was being built. Operation Ivy Mike. Operation Ivy was a series of tests done by the United States in order to test nuclear explosions. This took place in 1952 at Eniwetok Atoll, which are located in the Pacific Proving Ground on the Marshall Islands. The first shot was called Mike, and it became the first successful test of a thermonuclear weapon, more commonly known as the hydrogen bomb, while utilizing the Teller-Olam design. Secret tunnels underground. During the Cold War, there were many bases built all over the US. They were known as strategic strike locations and were built in underground tunnels. According to the government, they are no longer in operation today, but who knows? It's all about fascinating classified photos. Thanks for watching.